Good morning students. In the previous class we did that sums by using the three identity properties. Today we are learning that about square root finding by division method. Previously we did like this these sums. For example, this 144 is given for us. We did like this, 2 table, 72 times, 2 table, 36 times, 2 table, 18 times, 2 table, 9 times, 3 table, 3 times, 3 table, 1 time. After writing like this, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. For this we put the square root. For each two to same numbers, we are using the brackets. Finally, answer what you are writing is 2 into 2 into 3. Each set of bracket will give like that. 2 to 4, 4 3 are 12. Like this it is there means you can do that properly. But yesterday one sum I given that one. For example, 41616 is given. To find this one using 2 root. So many students will do like this. 2, 8, 8. This is wrong. 2, 4, 1, 6, 1, 6. 4, 1, 6, 1, 6. 2 table 4 is 2 times. 1 is not possible. Put 0. 16 is 8 times. Again 1 is not possible. 0, 8 times. So many students will do that mistake like this here. Due to that one, without doing mistake, we can do, this is called the prime factor method. Without using prime factor method, we can find by this square root division method also. Once again listen. Square root division method. Why we are introducing square root division method is, in the previous sums, we find a square root in this method. This method is called prime factor method. In this prime factor method, we did that square root. Like this sums are there means some students will do the mistake 288 for doing cancellation. Instead of 20808, somebody will write it as 288 and the sum will get wrong. For that, we are using the model of square root division method. What is called division method means we know the division form. So I will compare the two and listen once. Just observe this division rule how to do. Coming to 8th class, everybody know this one. Easily you can do that cancellation, you can do that one sum in the point of decimal form. But I am doing that one procedure what we are doing here. Here 2 table is given for us. How many numbers we will take it means 2 numbers we will take, that is 15. In 2 table 15 how many times you have to identify. So 2 table nearest one we will go. 2 2s are, for example, you have to think like the second class child and doing this sum. How he will do? He will read 2 table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. 16 means more. We have to take only 7 times. Why we have to take 7 times? The rule is there. What is that means? Only not exceed more. If you take 8 times means it will become more. That means here we are writing 7 times only. This is 7 times is called balancing. 7 times is called balancing. Balancing. After doing balancing, what we will do? Here addition will do. No, subtraction we are doing. Doing subtraction. Okay, 15 minus 1. After that, dropping the set. 17. Dropping the set. Again, what we will do? Repeat. 1 comma 2. Again, repetition. 17. 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. So, how many times you have to take? Only 8 times. 2 8s are 16. 1. So, here we are taking that one. The steps following here is balancing, subtraction, afterwards again repetition, balancing, subtracting. Until we will get the remainder 0 or not possibility of remainder, we are doing these ones. This is called the rule of the division. But we are doing that square root. We are doing the square root. Then rules are there here also for square root. What are the rules? Here I am writing C1s. So here are the rules for square root division method. In the previous sum, that means these are the division rules. Okay, here these are the rules of square root. First one is making pairs, reading square table. We should not take any other table. Only square table we have to take. Double the quotient and giving one number, that is from 0 to 9. Repeat second and third until 0 as the remainder. So here one number will be given for us. We have to take that number and we have to make it as pace. That is from back to front. Making as pace, that is from back to front. Reading of square table. We have to read the square table. How many times that square table is there? We have to take and the subtraction. After that, double the quotient and giving one number, that is from 0 to 9. Repeat 2, 3 until 0 as remainder. Remainder 0 we have to get, until that we have to form these rules. Using these rules, example sum I am doing here, just to see once. This 841 I have to do square root in division method. So first of all we have to write that first 8, 4, 1. What we have to do here means, the first point is pace. First point is pace. How to give the pace is pace back to front. Back onwards, each and every 2 pace we have to form. The pace is for 41. That means we have to give the pace as a bars bracket. This one is formed. Now afterwards second one is reading square table. SQ means square. SQ means square. Reading of square table. 1 ones are 1. Only 8 we have to take. 2 twos are 4. 3 threes are 9. We have to take only 2 times. So 2, 2. 2 twos are 4. So if you write 4 here, 2 twos are 4. Don't take 3 threes are 9. So we should not take. Now subtract these two. 8 minus 4 is 4. Afterwards, drop that full set. In the division we are bringing only one number. But here we have to bring that, drop the full set of number, 41. Now, what is the third one? What is the third one? Third one is giving number. Double quotient, giving number 0 to 9. The rough work I am taking. So double the quotient. What is the quotient here? 4. 2. 2 double is 4. 2 double is 4. 2 double is 4. 2 double is 4. Now we have to give the number side of 4. How much we have to give means, start with 0 to 9. I will take that 5 first. What we took with that number only we have to multiply. Once again, how this 4 came? Double of this of 2 is 4. Double quotient completed. Giving number, I started with 5. 5 5s 25. 4 5s are 20. 22. Which is not nearest one. Then go for next number like that. I am going for 49 into 9. What number we are taking here? With that number we have to take. So 9 9s are 81. 4 4s are 9. And plus is 441. So take it as 9 times 441. So answer is 0. The answer for this sum is 29. Answer for this sum is 29. Here is another example. 1296. 1296 we are doing by square root division method. First of all we have to draw like these lines. After that, what we have to take? We should have to form as pace. That is from back to front. Each two numbers we have to put brackets. That means bar brackets. Forming as bars. Now take the first set. The first one is 12. Which table you have to write? Compulsory square table only, not any other table. 1 1s are 1. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s 9. 4 4s 16. 4 4s means double more. So only take 3 times. 3 3 3 3s are 9. Subtract. 12 minus 9 is 3. Drop the set. 96. Up to here what I did? See once. Making as pairs. Afterwards, reading of square table. The square table is 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16. 16 means becoming more. We have to take less one. So the less one is 3 3s are 9. So 3 3 is 9. 12 minus 9 is 3. Dropping that full set is 96. What now? After reading square table and subtraction over, no subtraction is over. Then what you have to do? Double the quotient. Quotient double. 3 double is 6. 3 double is 6. With this quotient doubles, after doubling the quotient, we have to give the number. Which number we have to give? That is from 0 to 9. Always I will start with 5. Which number you wrote, with that one you have to multiply. I took 5 into 5. Why I took 5 means you will understand now. 5 5s 25. 6 5s are 30 plus 2 32. 325 nearest one. So again write that 6. Again write that double C once. 3 double is 6. Giving another number. 5 is completed. Next number I am going. 5 after what will comes? 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36 plus 3 39. For 36 it came. So 6 6. So here 66 6. 66 6. This is 66 here we have to write and 6 here. That is 396. Subtraction 0. Therefore answer is 36. In the question what is there? That is the answer for this sum. Like that another sum I am writing that one. See once. Here I am taking that another number 729. For this 729 we have to form that square root. 7 to 9 forming as pairs. Back to front. 29 is formed as pairs. 7 is left like that only number. Now which table you have to read? Not normal tables. We are doing square root. That's why we have to take square table. 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. More it become more. So we have to take only 2 times. 2 2s 4. Now we have to take subtraction. The subtraction of 7 minus 4 is 3. Drop that set. That is 29. Up to here what I did understand once. 729. 729. Forming pairs. Afterwards taking 7. 2 table. Not 2 table. 2 table if you take means 2 3s are 6. I am not taking 2 tables. Square table I am taking. 1 1s are 1. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 6. 9. So 9 means becoming more. So only 2 times. 2 2s 4. 7 minus 4 3. Now what you have to take? Double the quotient. 2 is double is 4. 2 double is 4. That means 2 plus 2 4. 2 plus 2 4. Now what we have to do? 4. For this side of 4 we have to give one number. Always I will start with 5. 5 5s 25. 4 5s are 20 plus 2 22. Not nearest one. So nearest one means here we have to go for further numbers. Up to getting nearest number we have to go. I will start with this 6. 4 is the double ones. I am giving 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 6 are 36. 4 quotient 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 4 6 are 24. 25 26 27. Not nearest one. Go for the next number. Up to where you have to go? Like that up to 9 we have to go. 4 7 into 7. This 4 is right little much biggest one because this is the doubled one. This is the double one. 7 7s are 49. 7 4s are 28. 29, 30, 31, 32. For how many numbers it came? 7 times. So 7, 7. That is 329. Subtraction 0. Therefore, answer is 27. Answer is 27. Answer is 27. Like that another one sum. See here and we can stop. Here is another sum. 961. 961. 9 6 1. what we have to do means make it as space. Back to front. Two numbers form as pair. This is not a formed as pair. So leave that one. Writing here. 3, 9. 1 ones are 1. 2 twos are 4. 3 threes are 9. 0. Drop the set. 61. Now double the quotient. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. Now giving that number, this for this 6, always I will start with 5 into 5. 5 into 5, 5 5 is 25, 6 5 is 30, 325. So much more. So come to less. 4 3 2 1. So I am starting with 2 times. 6, 2 into 2. 2 2s 4, 6 2s are 12. Oh, it is now also more. Go for the below number. What is the below number for 2? 1. So 6 1 into 1. 1 ones are 1, 6 ones are 6. So for 61, how many times? 1, 1. This 61 here, 1 here. So subtraction is 0. Therefore 961 is equal to 31. 961 is equal to 31. So this is the sum. Here we have to do for square root division method. Taking that one, double the quotient, and this small rough work we have to do. If it is not given LCM model, any small mistake you did for the test LCM model, we will get the full answer wrong. That's why we have to follow this answer in this model. According to depend upon this one, we have to do the sums tomorrow. And again, yesterday one sum, last and final C1s. Yesterday one sum I did like that wrong. Why I did wrong means here, how many are doing that sum correctly or wrong, for checking purpose I did. That is 94 whole square is given means I wrote in that sum is 100 minus 4. That is wrong. Answer is 100 minus 6 whole square. We have to take 100 square minus 2 dot 100 dot 6 plus 6 square. We have to write like that and we have to do the sum. And also in that video only I took like that 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. I put that arrow mark and I shown from 100 onwards. And also I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But I wrote it as 4. That means mistakes will be happen here. That's why we have to do that sum carefully to do that once. If we are doing subtraction, check once 2 times. Why? Because subtraction is always from after number. That means subtraction is always from biggest ones. The nearest one is 90. But we have to take the nearest one, biggest one in the subtraction. Addition means you can take that one as usual. But subtraction means do that sum carefully. Subtraction is always from biggest number onwards. How many numbers you have to go back? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 100 minus 6, not 100 minus 4. This is about that previous sum mistake in that is 9th Roman second sum or first sum. What it may be, in that sum I did wrong for the property of a minus b whole square. So this is about that today's class. Thank you.